relationship. It's not a friendship.
Yung understanding niya is in her own way. So, yung, kumbaga, yung kapasidad niya ngayon is, but friends lang sila. So, and then hanggang sa naging closer sila, naging,
never pushed her to
yeah, she comes to, it's her mismo coming into her own terms when it comes to the things that she needs to understand and yung mga naiintindihan na niya. Siya mismo yung nagsasabi sa amin, we're so lucky kasi Amara is very expressive. She tells us what she feels. If she's hurt, kung nagsiselo siya, sinasabi niya lahat.
She'll ask talaga. She'll ask questions.
What's the most interesting thing that she asked you tungkol sa inyong dalawa?
Oh, so many. I can't really pick one, but pinakaunang natanga ko was the first question sa akin. Out of the blue, like we were playing, I remember. And she's like, Ate Aiza, why do you love me and mommy? Si tanga. Why not? Diba? Parang, I missed that. And then, and what's good about Amara naman is, kunyari yun, like, feeling niya, tanga nung sagot ko. Hindi niya, she will not rest until she gets satisfied with the answer. So after a week, she asked me again the same question. So I said, so parang napagkanta ako na. She's like, so why do you love me and mommy? Well, so, why are you so nice to me and my mommy? So I go, well, because I love you guys. Why do you love me and mommy? Well, sabi ko, you don't need a reason to love people. So I just, yes, one Aiza. So yun, ganun na siya. And then after that, yun, she never asked that anymore. She got that out of the way na. Ano pa? I think we were talking about babies. Why don't you, parang, you should have a baby.
You should have a husband.
And then, you should have a baby. Well, yeah, I have plans. Sabi ko ganun, why you should get a husband? Sabi ko, Amara, well, I don't want to get a husband. Why not? It's fun. Parang alam niya, kung baka it's fun eh. Sabi ko, you have to get married. Sabi ko, well, that's the thing, Amara. Sabi ko, you know what, getting married, it's not like, you think na getting married is just like mommy and daddy getting married. But no, there are many different kinds of marriages. There's a marriage between mommy and daddy and daddy and mommy and mommy. So those things na parang talagang bine-breakdown namin sa kanya, which nakakatuwa kasi talagang once you break things down like that, you see that, yeah, it's just about love. So ngayon, like when you ask her, syempre we're preparing her for many things, like people bullying her because of her friends, na parang her friends' questions, ganyan. So we give her situations, like what if your friends tell you that they don't want to be your friend anymore because ganito, ganyan,
You have two mommies.
You have two mommies. I don't care.
As long as you two have, why would they get mad? Kasi you two have meaningful love. People shouldn't get mad if people are in love. So talagang siya mismo yung nakakaintindi talaga ng relationship namin. And
I think ano naman feeling ko naman, these things, it gets complicated lang if masyado mo pinapalabukan, when in fact, you just have to tell the kid, the person that, I love her, and I don't see any reason why we can't be together. You know?
And umpisa pa lang talaga, we really stayed true. Talagang I didn't pretend na magkaibigan lang kami ni Aiza. Umpisa pa lang, she knew that it was a romantic relationship. And I think it's the fact that she never felt deceived. Alam niya na meron kami relasyon. So it was more like addressing her confusion. Like, why does Papa look like a boy?
Yeah. Oh my God, Papa, you look like a man. Like, I have so parang, okay, so what do you call Baba if she likes like boy stuff? So we call people like that either, syempre hindi pa namin explain yung transgender, di ba? So it's either lesbian or gay. So well, girls that like boy stuff, they call them lesbian. And then kapag boys naman, like boys and other girl stuff, they're gay. Yeah.
Ano sabi niya? Oh, I know na what Baba is. She's half gay, half lesbian.
Kasi daw, like may time pa nilalaga niya ako ng flip, gusto ko naman daw.